Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Ready to master the future of marketing? Learning ads marketing now is your key to thriving in 2025's dynamic digital economy. The advertising landscape is undergoing massive transformations, moving beyond traditional methods. New technologies, data privacy shifts, and AI integration demand fresh strategies and updated skills. By understanding these changes and adapting early, you gain a powerful competitive edge, positioning yourself as an invaluable asset in any business. Let's dive into how you can become an expert. To succeed in 2025, focus on 3 core skill sets. First, master data analysis. Understanding audience behavior and campaign metrics is non-negotiable for optimization. Second, develop strong copywriting and creative design abilities to craft ads that truly resonate and capture attention. Third, become proficient in audience segmentation and targeting techniques, ensuring your message reaches the most receptive groups. These foundational elements build a robust understanding crucial for navigating modern ad platforms successfully. The platforms are constantly shifting, so familiarize yourself with emerging channels like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and specialized ad networks. Beyond just social, understand how programmatic advertising is evolving. Crucially, embrace AI tools. They're revolutionizing everything from creative generation to campaign optimization and predictive analytics. Furthermore, a deep understanding of privacy-first advertising and cookieless tracking solutions is essential. As the industry moves towards more ethical data practices, staying current here is absolutely vital. There are excellent practical learning paths available to you. Start with free online courses offered by industry giants like Google, Meta, and HubSpot to build a strong foundational knowledge. Don't just learn theory, gain hands-on experience by running small budget campaigns, perhaps for a local business or even a personal passion project. This practical application solidifies your understanding. Additionally, consistently follow industry leaders and subscribe to key newsletters to stay abreast of the rapid changes and emerging best practices. To truly thrive in this dynamic field, continuous learning is paramount. Always test new strategies, analyze your results meticulously, and be prepared to adapt your approach based on what the data tells you. Actively network with other marketers. Sharing insights and experiences can provide invaluable perspectives and open new opportunities. Remember, while technology changes rapidly, the fundamental principles of human psychology and effective marketing remain constant. Build on these core truths, and you'll stay ahead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.